solve these equations. We have two given equations here and we're asked to solve for the unknown x and y. Notice that these equations are fractional and there are two. So to solve for x and y, we say we can solve these equations simultaneously. So let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. Now, simultaneous equation, there are different methods or approach in solving them. And I've decided to use the method of elimination in solving this, because if you look at the term containing y here, they are the same but the signs are different. So when you have the same terms with opposite signs, you can add them and you eliminate that term, or you make that term go to 0. So in other words, I can add these two terms and I'll have 0. So I just say add equation 1 and 2. So if I add them up, you're going to be having the first term here, x over 2 plus x over 3 equal to this place. These two terms now will go to 0, equal to the right hand side 1 plus, then here minus 1 over 6, minus 1 over 6. So I'm adding these two terms now. So this will further give us, here you can see that it's a fraction, so we can make them have a common denominator. You just find the LCM, so you multiply like this. 3 times x will give us 3x, plus 2 times x is 2x, all over 2 times 3 is 6, equal to, now 1, this is positive negative, will give us a negative 1 over 6. Now the left hand side, 3x plus 2x, that will give us 5x over 6, equal to 1 minus 1 over 6. Now you can even easily do this. Since the denominator of this fraction is 6, 1 here, you can write it in terms of 6 as 6 over 6. 6 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So the choice of this, because of this denominator, if it was 5, we write 5 over 5. Is one of the ways of simplifying, subtracting fractions or adding up. So here we're going to be having 5x over 6 equal to 6 over 6 minus 1 over 6 will give us 5 over 6, since they have the same denominator. Now from here, to clear the denominators, we multiply through by 6. So if you multiply this term by 6, the 6 will cancel out, leaving us with 5x equal to, here the 6 will also cancel out, leaving us with 5. So this implies that if you divide both sides by 5, this 5 will cancel out, leaving us with x equal to 1. So the value of x now is 1. Now to find y, so we can substitute x equal to 1 into equation, let's use equation 1. So we're going to be having this equation, and let's restate it, x over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1. This implies that when x is 1, we have 1 over 2 plus y over 4 equal to 1. So collecting like terms, because this term and this term will bring them to one side, so y over 4 equal to 1. Then 1 over 2 becomes minus 1 over 2. So we have y over 4 equal to, you can also write this in terms of 2, which is 2 over 2. 2 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. So cross multiply, if you cross multiply, 2 times y will give us 2y. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Next, divide both sides by 2, so that our y now is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. And now we can say that our x is 1, while our y is equal to 2. Thank you so much for watching this video.